Hey guys, how's it going? Frey here, back again in another video. Today we're going to be doing a camera test between the iPhone 14 Pro Max against the newly released iPhone 15 Pro Max. So both cameras are really like top notch, but we'll see how far or how maybe just a little bit difference between the camera quality. On the other note, the iPhone 14 Pro Max only has a 15 digital zoom against the 15 Pro Max that has 25x digital zoom. So yeah, we'll just be testing that right now, and maybe it would help you decide which phone you're gonna choose. You got the 14 Pro Max that are on sale right now, so you could grab that maybe free from Verizon, at&t, or T-Mobile against the 15 Pro Max, which is in back order, probably around November, December of this year already. So yeah, I wasn't anticipating that the 15 lineup would sell that quickly. Luckily, I got the release. The iPhone 15 Pro Max on release day on September 22. So I was really glad I could test it out, and I could really see that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is really lighter compared to the 14 Pro Max. So when holding both phones, I could really tell the difference that the 15 is really lighter compared to the 14. Maybe it's because of the titanium chassis. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the camera test. So as you can see, guys, the iPhone 15 Pro Max wins in every category, especially the portrait. The portrait mode, the iPhone 15 was a little bit more crisper and a little bit more focused compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And the 25x zoom camera is really like nothing that I have ever seen before in an iPhone. It's really clear. It's not like when you're in broad daylight, okay, but when you're inside the house and it's not that well lit, then there's gonna be like a pixelation just a little bit, but it's still readable compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And actually right now I'm filming on the 15 Pro Max. So this is the front facing camera. So I've been using the iPhone ever since for capturing my YouTube channel vlogs. So I really trust the quality of the iPhone. And yeah, starting right now, I'll be shooting everything on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if ever the 16 would come out, so yeah, I would also review that. I would still be getting that, hopefully on release day. That's what I did on the 15 Pro Max. I was lucky enough to get the 15 Pro Max on release day on September 22. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment if you have any questions down below, and see you again in the next vlog. Bye.